In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export contacts in Gmail. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to bring your address book into your Google account, so your contacts show up in Gmail and sync across your devices. Start by opening a desktop web browser and signing in to your Google account. Go to Gmail. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots, and choose Contacts. This opens Google Contacts, which is where Gmail stores and manages your people. Think of it as the central hub for names, emails, phone numbers, and groups that Gmail draws from when you compose messages. Once you're in Google Contacts, look along the left sidebar for the option labeled Import. Click it. You'll see a small window guiding you through bringing your existing address book into Google. We're going to use a file you already have, such as one exported from a phone or another email service. Click Select File. Your computer's file picker will open so you can locate your contact file. Google Contacts works well with vCard files, which use the .vcf extension and are commonly created when exporting contacts from smartphones. If you've previously exported your contacts from another service, make sure you know where that file was saved. Downloads is a typical location, and confirm it ends with .vcf. Navigate to the folder where the file lives, select the .vcf file, and confirm. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to quickly double check that you chose the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions. When you're ready, click Import to start the process. You'll see a brief progress indicator while Google adds those contacts to your account. When the import finishes, Google Contacts will display a confirmation and may create a temporary imported label so you can easily review what was added. Spot check a few entries to ensure names, email addresses, and phone numbers look right. Google Contacts typically handles duplicates intelligently, helping prevent clutter if the same person appears more than once. That's it. Your contacts are now in your Google account and available in Gmail. The next time you compose an email, start typing a name, and you should see suggestions from your newly imported list. If anything looks off, you can repeat the import with the correct file. And in the same left-hand area of Google Contacts, you'll also find tools for moving contacts out of your account whenever you need them, keeping everything in one familiar place.